The courtroom buzzed with tense murmurs as spectators shuffled in their seats, eyes fixed on the nervous woman standing before the judge. Tamara Barnes, a hard-working single mother, stood accused of vandalizing a wealthy neighbor's car, an accusation she knew was false. Her 8-year-old son, David, sat quietly beside her, clutching a notebook stuffed with scribbles and school papers. Their neighbor, Mr. Thompson, a smug businessman with influence, smirked confidently. He had money, connections, and a high-priced lawyer. Tamara, unable to afford legal counsel, was forced to stand alone. But when David suddenly rose and politely asked the judge for permission to speak, gasps rippled through the room. Judge Reynolds, known for fairness, studied the boy curiously and nodded. David walked to the center of the courtroom, his small frame trembling slightly, but his voice steady. "Your Honor, my mom didn't do this, and I can prove it." He opened his notebook, revealing a timeline, school documents, and printed photos. Calmly, he explained that his mother had been attending his parent-teacher meeting at the exact time of the alleged incident. He presented the teacher's signed slip and a time-stamped school camera photo he had requested days earlier. The room fell silent. Then he displayed a picture he took of the driveway, showing tire marks leading away from Mr. Thompson's car. If my mom keyed his car, he asked, why would she already be driving away? Finally, he showed printed neighbor messages revealing prior false accusations Mr. Thompson had made. The lawyer tried to object, but the evidence was undeniable. Judge Reynolds leaned back, astonished. "Where did you learn to prepare all this?" David swallowed. "I read stories about fairness. And my mom always says, stand up for the truth, even if your voice shakes." The judge lifted his gavel. Case dismissed. Applause erupted as Tamara dropped to her knees and hugged her son, tears streaming down her face. Mr. Thompson stormed out, humiliated. Reporters rushed forward, eager to interview the brilliant young boy who had stunned an entire courtroom. Days later, Judge Reynolds invited David to tour a prestigious law school, promising to mentor him. From that moment, everyone in town knew courage, love, and truth can fit even in the hands of an 8-year-old, and justice doesn't always wear a suit.